It was a beautiful, sunny afternoon, and sisters Humi and Hana were busy playing in their bright living room. They laughed and giggled as they stacked the large blocks higher and higher, creating a colorful masterpiece together. Suddenly, Mommy entered the room holding a mysterious pink bag. She looked at her daughters with a warm, loving smile. "Hello, girls. Today, I have a very special surprise. We are going on a sweet adventure together."
A sweet adventure? That sounds amazing. Where are we going, Mommy? Is it somewhere with treats?
Mommy chuckled softly and replied, "We are going to the bakery to get some of your favorite things."
Yay! I love cakes and cookies. Can we get the ones with the pink frosting and sprinkles?
The girls immediately began picking up their toys, showing Mommy how helpful they could be when a treat was waiting. Mommy watched them with a proud smile, but then she decided to give them a little spelling challenge. "You're doing so well. But tell me, do you know how to spell the word bakery?"
Bakery. Bakery. We know it, Mommy. We can spell it perfectly.
Wonderful. You girls are so smart. Since you got it right, it's time to head out for our adventure. Mommy opened the front door, and the bright, warm sunshine of the neighborhood greeted them warmly. Hand in hand, the three of them walked out, ready for a day filled with sweetness and joy. Nothing beats a fun family trip to the bakery after a job well done. Let the adventure begin. One sunny morning, Hana, Humi, and their mommy set off on a wonderful adventure through the neighborhood. They stopped at their favorite place, the local bakery, where the air smelled like sweet yeast and golden crusts.
Look at all those treats.
The window was filled with cakes and every kind of bread imaginable.
Look, it's bread. B-R-E-A-D, bread.
Mommy opened the door, and the warm, cozy shop welcomed them with the most amazing sights and smells.
Fresh bread smells so good. I want to try everything.
Let's learn to spell some names. Hannah walked over to the shelves to find something small and fluffy.
This little bread is round and fluffy. B-U-N, bun.
That's right. Next to the buns were golden rolls. Can you spell that one too?
Yes, R-O-L-L, roll. I love soft rolls.
While Hannah explored the rolls, Humi found something much bigger on the lower shelves.
A loaf is a big piece of bread. L-O-F, loaf.
What a tasty way to learn. Spelling is easy when you're at the bakery with family. One sunny morning, Humi and Hannah visited a bright and cozy bakery with their mommy. It smelled like sweet sugar and fresh dough.
Look at all the delicious cakes.
Mommy smiled gently and asked, "And how do we spell cakes, Humi?"
C-A-K-E-S, cakes.
My smart girl. You girls can buy some cupcakes if you want. The sisters were so excited. They grabbed a wooden tray and headed straight for the cupcake counter. They carefully picked out cupcakes with pink frosting and sprinkles, their eyes full of joy.
Yay! Thank you, Mommy. We love cupcakes. C-U-P-C-A-K-E, cupcake. What is this, Mommy? It looks just like a cupcake.
This is a muffin. They are not the same as cupcakes but taste just as yummy. Can you girls spell muffin?
M-U-F-F-I-N, muffin.
That's my girls. What a wonderful day of learning and sweet treats. Welcome to the Sweet Treats Bakery. It's a bright and sunny morning, perfect for a little adventure.
Look at all of those donuts. They look so tasty.
Humi spots the tall cookie jars first. They are filled with something crunchy and chocolatey.
Look! C-O-O-K-I-E, cookie, crunchy and sweet. These look so delicious. Can we get some for our snack, Mommy?
Mommy smiles warmly at the girls. Of course! Why don't we get some donuts as well? Mommy carefully picks out the most colorful, sprinkled treats and places them into a bright pink box. Mommy holds up the box for them to see. D-O-N-U-T, donut. Next, Hannah discovers a display full of golden crusts and juicy blueberry and apple fillings.
This looks so yummy too. What is this called, Mommy?
Mommy walks over and explains. This is called a pie. P-I-E, pie.
P-I-E, pie? What a fun and tasty day of learning we had at the bakery.
With their bags full of delicious treats, Mommy, Humi, and Hannah stepped out of the bakery into the warm, bright morning sunshine.
have a great idea. We should take our treats to the park and have a joyful picnic outside.
They headed to the nearby lush green park, where the trees offered a cool shade and the grass was soft and inviting. They spread out a colorful picnic cloth and began to carefully unpack all the wonderful goodies they had chosen. The table was set with glazed donuts, chocolate cookies, and cupcakes topped with swirls of frosting. Everything looked absolutely delicious.
These cookies taste so good. They are even better when we eat them together in the park.
Mommy smiled and said, "Let's spell all the things we saw at the bakery today. Shall we, girls?"
Yes, Mommy, we are ready.
BAKERY bakery. BREAD bread. BUN bun. ROLL roll. LOAF loaf. CAKE cake. CUPCAKE cupcake. MUFFIN muffin. COOKIES cookies. DONUT donut. PIE pie.
Welcome to the bakery, come along with me. Sweet little treats for everyone to see. Let's spell words, me and you. MUFFIN, muffin we say. BUN, bun today. COOKIE, crunchy and sweet. Spelling is so fun and such a treat. Welcome to the bakery, come along with me. Sweet little treats for everyone to see. Bread and cake, cookies too. Let's spell words, me and you. BREAD, bread we say. CAKE, cake today. COOKIE, crunchy and sweet. Spelling fun is such a treat. Welcome to the bakery, come along with me. Sweet little treats for everyone to see. Bread and cake, cookies too. Let's spell words, me and you. DONUT, donut we say.